So surface area and volume of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Squared makes sense when it's area, yes? Pi r squared is the area of a circle, yes?
Yes.
So you think about it, you have that circle, and then you want all of the circles that come around to make the sphere. Okay? Volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. I expect you to use a calculator when you need to use a calculator and not when you don't. Understand what I'm saying?
We get a calculator on the test.
But if you don't show me work, I will write a 0 on it and walk away even if it is a right answer. Understood?
Yeah.
And the work is plugging it in, right? And if you use a calculator on something that you could have done by hand, I will probably take off points. I only want you guys using it when you have, like, I don't know, 19 cubed. Would that be a time to use it? Yes. 19 squared. Would that be a time to use it?
No.
No, because should you know 19 squared?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what I mean by that. Okay, so we're going to do surface area and volume. We have 4 problems, and that's it. That's all we got. You want to do volume or surface area first?
Surface area.
Okay, so surface area, the formula is 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi, and what's r?
6.
And squared is
36.
36. Miss Mick, what?
There's something on the screen.
There was, it's fine.
Oh. Okay, so 4 times 36, so 4 times 6 is 24, so carry to 2, so 12, so 144 pi centimeters squared. I do not want you putting pi into your calculator. Got it?
Got it.
I want the answer to have pi in it. Volume, 4/3 pi r cubed. Well, what's 6 cubed?
260.
Okay. 2 plus 1 plus 6 is 9, so 3 goes into it, yes?
Yeah.
So 3 goes into 21. How many times? 7
Next to it.
and 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 7 is 28 pi centimeters
Cube.
cubed. I think we did that kind of fast, but I don't know how to slow it down. Because all you're plugging in is what? R? Okay. So you want to try this one on your own?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to give you 19 squared, but I'll give you 19 cubed.
Where did you get 216 from?
The formula is r cubed, or 6. 6 cubed is what?
Oh, no, 6 cubed.
It's 216. Okay. Should you know your squares and cubes?
I hope,
Yep, you hope.
because I just guessed.
Is this a good time? You probably should be studying them a little bit more.
Mhm.
19 cubed is huge.
Where's it?
Jesus.
6. Oh god, it is huge.
What's wrong, Sarah? Okay, so did you get 1,444 pi feet squared?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when you have 6,859 times 4, 19 is a prime number, yes? So when you cube it, you're probably still going to get a what? Well, other than 19, right? 1. So, and then like 361, but we're trying to get to 3. So, and if I add them up, this is 14 plus 14 is 28. Does 3 go into 28? Nope, so it doesn't reduce. So I get 27,436 over 3 pi feet cubed. Yes? Okay. What's different about this one?
That's going all the way across.
And what is that then? It's the diameter, and I need the what? Radius. So what's the radius? 11. So should you say R equals 11 on there so your brain doesn't use 22? Yeah. Okay. So surface area is 4 pi times 121. So I'm pretty sure that's 484
Yeah.
pi
Inches.
inches squared. Volume is 4/3 pi.
5,324.
Well, it's 1,331 is cubed. Because you got to write that.
I don't even know what that
That's 11 cubed. So 121 times 11 is 1,331.
is. Oh, I was in the wrong thing.
Okay. So you have to cube 11, right? So then I get 4, 2, 3, 5 pi over 3 inches cubed. Now, this is an easy way. So 11 squared is 121, right? I just told you 11 cubed is 1,331. 11 to the 4th is 1,4641. Is that kind of interesting?
No, I don't understand what you're trying to say right now.
This is 11 squared. This is 11 cubed. And this is 11 to the 4th. But 11 to the 5th doesn't work. Doesn't have pattern.
Why not?
I don't know. 11 to the 5th is 161051. That just blows out of the water.
How?
Hmm?
I
How?
don't understand what's happening. No.
No, I'm just saying this is 11 squared. Look at the pattern. This is 11 squared. This is 11 cubed. And this is 11 to the 4th. Like, I know 11 to the 4th because of those patterns. And actually, in Algebra 2, you'll learn Pascal's triangle. And this is Pascal's triangle. It goes, here, I'll show you. Side note. It is this.
Oh.
Okay, this is Pascal's triangle. I'm getting this row by taking 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Always 1's on the outside. And what's 1 plus 3? 4. What's 3 plus 3?
6.
And 1 plus 3 is 4. So I get from here to here, 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is
10.
4 plus 6 is
10.
4 plus 1 is 5. And we will use this.
Going?
Yeah, it keeps going. We'll use this to expand things like x minus 4 to the 10th. Rather than multiplying all those quantities out, you'll use this Pascal's triangle. We'll use it for probability and things. But I really think it's weird that this equals 11 squared, this equals 11 cubed, and this equals 11 to the 4th. And I don't know why. but it does.
Magic.
I don't know. I always say we're witches. Okay, what are we gonna do on this last one?
Is that a decimal?
Yes, that is a decimal. That is 2.5. So 2.5 we just treat like what?
2.5.
25, don't we?
Oh.
Don't you know 25 squared?
2.5. 5.
What's 25 squared?
625.
25 squared is 625.
Oh.
So 2.5 squared is 6.25. And 2.5 cubed, I'll give you that one, is 15.625.
What's 6.25?
Is 2.5 squared right here.
Oh, why am I wrong? 6.25 times 4.
Right, so now you gotta do that.
Yeah, but what is it?
Well, you can multiply times 4. Come
I
on.
don't want to do it.
Well, you can do it. I believe in you.
Wow. What's it cubed? Oh.
Right there. 15.625.
This is the part I get confused on, Miss May. I don't know how you do the 4/3 and.
Yeah, I don't understand that part.
I could not do that. What?
What? Okay, so this is over 1, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. I added all these numbers up. Let's add them all up. 5 and 5 is 10, right?
12, 13, 14, 19.
19. So does 3 go into 19?
No.
No, so I can't reduce it. So my answer is just going to be over what?
1.
3.
Oh.
1 times 3. And I'm going to have a pi. So I just take 4 times 15.625 now. That's it.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh. But if it does go into it, then that's it.
Then you reduce it, and then what do you have left over? You multiply times 4.
Oh.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, so let's finish this one so we can get going. So 0, carry a 2, carry a 1, carry a 2, so 2. Carry a 2, so 10.
Whoa. How did you get 1?
Oh, yeah, no. I carried something wrong.
I was gonna say, I got a different answer.
I did too.
No, I added wrong. I like 9. It's 6.25 over 3. Now, I am going to tell you that, oh, and then we should have meters, what?
Meters
Cubed.
6.25?
62.5. Now, a fraction is the same thing as a decimal, yes?
Yeah.
Should we have a decimal or fraction in a fraction?
No.
No. So to get rid of this, I have to multiply by what?
2, 5,
No.
5, 4.
629.
What number do I multiply to get 10? Thank you.
Oh.
I need to multiply the top by 10, so I need to multiply the what? Bottom. So that gives me 625 pi over
30.
30. Can I reduce 625 and 30?
Yes.
By 5, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 5 goes into 6
1 time.
once with 1 left over. 5 goes into 12
2 times.
with 2 left over. And 5 goes into 25.
5.
5
Over 6.
over 6. Now, if I added them up, we shouldn't be able to put a 3 in here because we couldn't before, right? So if you reduce before, will it help you with your other numbers?
Yeah.
Yes. And we have meters cubed.
I don't want to.
Can you chill?
No. I
Okay,
need to do it while
so
fresh.
your worksheet today, you have one that has circles, and you will do surface area and volume on it. There's 9. And then you have one that has the shapes from yesterday. but we are going to do number 8 together before we do anything else. Because you didn't have a regular polygon on your other worksheet, did you? You had a triangle, rectangular, trapezoidal, right? And what else? There's one more. Cylinder.
Yeah, you need that.
I don't need
But
it.
we're gonna do number 9 on the prisms sheet together. 8.
Yeah, it was 9.